In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scrolling image video in Canva. First, head over to canva.com and make sure you're logged in so you can access your projects and exports. On the left sidebar, click Create, then choose Videos and select the mobile video format. This gives you a vertical canvas that's perfect for phones and social platforms. On the left panel, go to Elements. Use the search bar to look for Grid and pick a single, full-page photo frame. This grid acts like a container that snaps your image into place and keeps everything neatly aligned to the canvas. Next, go to Uploads. If your images are already uploaded, great. Drag and drop the photo you want onto the grid. It will automatically fill the frame. Now resize the image so it becomes much taller than your canvas. Click the image and drag a corner handle outward until the photo extends well beyond the top and bottom of the page. A taller image gives you enough visual content to scroll smoothly from one end to the other. Click the long image to select it, then go to the top toolbar and click Animate. Choose Create an Animation. Click and drag to define the scroll path. Hold down the Shift key while dragging to lock the movement to a straight line, which keeps the scroll perfectly vertical. Start near where you want the motion to begin and drag to where you want it to end. Release the mouse when you're happy with the path. A settings menu will appear. Set movement style to steady for a smooth, consistent motion from start to finish. Then adjust the speed slider so the scroll lasts for the full duration of the page. For example, if your page is 8 seconds long, lower the speed until the animation fills all 8 seconds. If the scroll ends too soon, slow it down. If it feels sluggish, speed it up. When it looks right, click Done. Preview your work by clicking the play button. Make sure the motion is clean, not jittery, and that the start and end positions show what you want. If needed, you can fine-tune the path, the image size, or the speed. When you're satisfied, click Share in the top right corner, then Download. Choose MP4 video as the file type and click Download again. Canva will render your scrolling image video and save it to your device ready to post or share.